Hey, Fantastic Family! Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I am making a quick stop at the Caribbean store just to get a taste of Jamaica. When I'm in that store, it just brings me right back to Jamaica. So I'm taking you guys with me. Let's go. Okay, my bad. I told you we are going to the Caribbean store, but now you're seeing me with a Taco Bell bag. I was hungry and I made a quick stop at Taco Bell and got a spicy taco with some mild sauce. It's the crunchy taco and it's really good. After I'm done eating, I'm definitely taking you to the Caribbean store, so hold tight. Look at this, guys. I will be using this today. So, one of my coworkers had a raffle at church, and I purchased 5 tickets for $2 each, and I won a $50 gift card. Congratulations to me. Let's get to the good stuff. So, this is pimento, and we have to have our pimento for our meat and just to spice up the pot a little bit. They have the green bananas, ripe plantain, green plantain. They have pumpkin, yellow yam, cocoa. Guys, when last time I say cocoa, yes, they have cocoa too. They also have guinea. My son likes guinea, but I didn't purchase it because the last time, I don't know, they didn't taste like it was ready. When you're in Jamaica and it tastes sour, like it wasn't ready. And then the container that they put it in, you can hardly open it to taste it because they don't want you to just go through their stuff and taste it and not purchase it. All right, guys, I want you to take a look at this. So this is the camouflage, the bogus sausage. This is no good. Do not waste your money and buy that. That is not the real sausage with Shelly on it. I need to reach out to Shelly and Fraser to let her know that they're using her image on those fake sausages here in the US. All right, guys, I have my meat kind. So I have my kidney, my mutton. I purchased some other stuff like the corn, the coconut milk. So they didn't have the one that I want because I usually purchase like the Grace coconut milk, but I had to just take the Caribbean Dreams. But it was a good day. I got some really good stuff from Compare Foods. And guys, after I was done at Compare Foods, it was raining. And so I got wet taking the grocery back to the car, but it's okay. It's okay. I was by myself. The kids are not here with me, so I'm okay. See, it's not falling hard, but it's a wet Saturday. Guys, I just want to thank you all so much for watching my little vlog. Thank you guys so much. I love you all so much. And until next time, I'll see you guys again. Bye, guys.